Okay, welcome back. It's Matty Mac here. Just regarding a new offer that I've come across. Somebody told me about this, and it's getting a really good gravity score. The overnight millionaire system. It's getting really high gravity, so a lot of people are starting to buzz this at the moment. So I thought I'd get on board, build a simple opt-in page, and hopefully grab some of that traffic. So I'm going to start from scratch. This is going to be an unedited video, so bear with me, but I'll take you through from scratch, from start to finish. So when you do click on, this is the landing page that most people are going to see, and what it is basically a mindset for your affiliate marketing, getting in the right mindset to succeed. So that's what the program's all about. It does have an affiliate page where they will give you a whole bunch of email swipes and some videos to use as well. I might actually use one of these videos as a video ad, like a YouTube ad or a Facebook ad, and see if I can drive some traffic that way as well. But let's go ahead and set up the thing first. Okay. So I'm just going to go and start a new opt-in page. I'm just going to start one from scratch. I'll have a look at the templates and see what's there. I forgot what it was called. So I'm looking for an opt-in watch a video. I want people to land on my page and then, hey, watch this video, and I'll let the sales page do it. So the original sales page is very bright, very light bright. So I want to kind of keep it the same way if I can. There's lots of reds, blues. So if I can find one that's fairly light and bright. If not, I have to change it. That's all right. It's not too bad. I'll be able to use something like this. So I've lost it. Change that background, it's pretty awful. Make it a bit lighter. Too bright, I think. better. I don't really want to pop up in this one. All I want is a straight. No, I don't really want to pop up. Okay. Mind hacks. So it's all about mind hacks. So telling people to learn the mind hacks used by other successful entrepreneurs to find your own path. And it's a little bit of interest. It's no longer a secret. Oh, what secret? So I want them to watch the video. So I'm going to keep this one very short and sweet, I think. But I do need their details. It could be name and email. I think I'll just leave it as email. Okay. Simple, simple, simple. That's going to be their first page. Now this needs to hook through to my affiliate link. Which I'm going to grab. I do want to open in the same window because it's not really going anywhere. So the same window is fine. Okay, now keep it very simple like that. Might add a couple of extras, I think. just to make it a bit more compliant with ads. I really like that there. Make that fairly small. It's a bit better. So to add a refund and a terms of service policy makes it a little more ad friendly. So some other information. Now this is, I'm going to use the vendor's information and refund policy because it's their program. If it was my own, I'd have to write my own or link it to my own, of course. Okay. That should be a little more compliant. Let's just have a quick look at that. I'm going to change one other thing because I don't like this link, which is going to be the setting link that I'm going to be sending people to. So I'm just going to change that, add a new link. And this is going to, so it's a Clickbank offer, of course. Okay, let's just check this out here, see if it works. So when I send people to that link, basic landing page, learn the mind hack to use. Don't know why it changed then. There's a video behind it, that's why. Actually, I don't mind that. I'm going to leave that. So I didn't realize there was just a video behind it, but I'm going to leave it. Learn the mind hacks, short video, show you everything, put in their details, and hopefully takes them through to my affiliate link. Awesome. Okay, so that's very, very simple. That's That's a very simple way of setting up just a capture page. In a different video or the next video, I'll show you how to integrate that into your own follow-up sequence. But that's a very simple way of doing it. I'll leave some links below if you need some additional help, or hit me up and I can help you set one up very easily for yourself. Thanks, guys.